mistakes you're making in your Zoho CRM build. Hi, I'm Avon, CRM and marketing automation specialist at Relevate, and today I'm going to be talking about the top mistakes that we see when people are building out their Zoho CRM. A lot of these mistakes seem okay at the time whilst you're building out your application and you think that you're doing it the right way. All of a sudden, you realize you're missing something. You can't add more fields, you can't click certain things, workflows stop working, automations stop working. It's really important to get the right foundations when building your Zoho instance. Sometimes those mistakes made early on can really cause problems for you down the track, and that means expensive rebuilds, having to reconfigure the system, exporting information, re-importing information. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the mistakes to avoid so that you can save time and money in your build. Mistake is doing everything on the lead record. Sometimes we see people put all of their information, their sales process from start to finish on the lead record. The lead record is designed to be a triage zone. It's like your catch-all bucket for when you've got leads online through your online forms, your website, and sometimes those can be a little bit junky, particularly if you're running things. So having your leads area is a great place to filter before you let them into your wider database. So by doing everything on the lead record, you're exposing the junk to your process. So if you want to make it a bit clearer, if you want to take advantage of more of the reports and things that are actually in the system and use the system the way it's designed to be built, then the best way that you can do that is use the other objects in the system and not just the lead record only. So that is the worst things that you can do in your Zoho CRM. If you've done any of those, or even if you think you've done any of those and you want to check, reach out to us. You can work with us by clicking the link in the description. If you need a bit more help, join our Relevate community. We do weekly meetups, we do screen shares. If you've got a question, you can ask us there and then we'll either create a video for you or we'll answer you in the comments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a like, a subscribe, and let us know what you thought in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and if so, you might also like to watch this video.